bringing your story to life, one frame at a time. Are you an aspiring filmmaker, game developer, or a creative visionary looking to turn your idea into visual masterpiece? I'm George, a professional storyboard artist for films, commercials, and 2D animation. I worked in the world's second largest film industry, Mumbai.
और बल से मुगलों को एक योद्धा के दर्शन कराए, जिससे उन्हें एक मानसिक हार का सामना कर।
And I'm sure you will see a professional touch in my work.
नहीं वाले थे मगर लायन ने टाइगर्स पर अटैक कर दिया, फिर सबको खा लिया। लायन के तो दांत निकल गए अभी।
And now I'm a storyboard artist at Fiverr. From initial concept to final scene, I transform your script and idea into detailed story that capture every nuance and emotion. I took my film script and created storyboards that exceeded my expectations. Why chose me? Because I bring a unique blend of creativity, technical skills, and storytelling passion to every project. With a quick turnaround, exceptional quality, and a keen eye on detail, I ensure your vision is brought to life as you imagine. So, ready to get started? Visit my Fiverr profile today and let's make your project unforgettable. If you have any language barrier, don't worry about it, because on live chat, on video chat, we can discuss each and everything your project in details. Your vision, my art. Let's make your project unforgettable.